How to simply add money from your credit card to your bank account actively on your PC or on your mobile phone. So there are multiple ways how you can transfer from credit card to bank. First is net banking. Here are the steps to transfer money directly from your credit card to bank account through net banking. Visit your bank's website and log into your credit card account. Select the transfer option and enter the desired amount you want to transfer. Then fill in the necessary information as indicated in the form. Then follow the prompts to complete this transaction. For e-wallet, like Paytm, Freecharge, and MobiKwik, that is too easy. Register using e-wallet of your preference from above companies, and you simply have to open e-wallet application and go to the passbook section. There you will have an option to send money to your bank. From available option, choose the transfer function in the menu below. Enter the required amount, beneficiary's account number, IFSC details, and send button to initiate fund transfer to your bank account. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. And we will meet again with next and best video with all of you.